Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, I'm gonna make the most important video that I was thinking forever to make. So this video is about the Canon color, because I've been using this Canon camera, Canon 70D, for 3 years, something like that. So I know what are the maximum or what are the best color setting for this camera setting, and that is the reason in this episode of Tips and Tricks I'll show you the best Canon color setting that you should implement. Because when you get the camera in the auto mode, the color is not best. Like when you get the camera and you feel like, why I bought this DSLR, this DSLR is not looking the way it should be. But right now, as you can see from the video, it is looking super. And if I can you see my eyes, my hair, everything is looking pretty well. The skin color is the most natural possible, though in my room I only have two LED bulb. That's the reason the color is not that great. But if I had those soft box or something like that, the color would look much better. But I cannot do that much. I cannot afford all those things, and that's the reason I'm using the basic things what every single people have then their home, like those LED light. That's the reason I have two LED light in my room. And with that setting, as you can see, this is the screen color. And I also shot some video of my brother, and as you can see, the shots are looking pretty well. And right now let's see what are the color setting we should change, because in the auto mode the color totally sucks. That is the real truth. So let's go to the tips how you can make the color much more better. Alright everyone, it is a 10-second fix. As you can see, this is on manual mode and no change has been added. As you can see on the pixel style, it is in auto mode. As you can see, the white balance is in auto. As you can see, white balance shift is also in auto mode, so no change has been added to this. So now let's change it. And as you can see right now, the table color is also looking very dumb and very bad. It is not like nowhere near to the original color of this table. Let's go to the setting, and after that make the white balance to -4, or as you can see, this is the shift to B4, like it's a blue shift. After that, go to the white balance sections. After going to this white balance section, why my camera is not doing that well. Alright, after going to this white balance section, just click on here and click on K. After clicking on K, make it to 5600. As you can see, because the 5600 is the natural daylight color, so this will give you the most natural color that is possible. After that, go to this picture style, go to the portrait mode, and go to this info details sections and make the sharpness to 0. As you can see, I have the sharpness to 0. Make the contrast to 0, and the saturation will be the same as it is, like in the 0. And after that, go to this color tone sections and make it like -2. Alright, that is the setting. And after that, look at the colors. As you can see, it is looking much more better. It is looking the most natural color possible. Don't do this my phone, please. Make it a good behave. As you can see, the color is looking much more better. It is looking super, because previously it was in auto mode. It was making the colors a blue shift, like it was not looking natural color. That is, I'm looking with my eye, because with the eye I can see this is the real color of the table. Even my iPhone 7 is not showing the real color. It is showing like blue shift. My hand is looking like it is looking my hand. I'm a dead person. No, not really, I'm not a dead person, I'm a alive person. As you can see, if I shoot with my camera, as you can see on the iPhone 7, it is looking very bad, very poor. But here on the camera, it is looking the most natural color. Here on the iPhone 7, it is looking very bad, very blue. And right now on the iPhone, like the camera, it is looking super. I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video and you guys learned how to make the color much more better on your Canon camera. This is not only for Canon camera. If you have Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, any camera, you may be able to adjust all the settings, custom settings on that. I'm not sure, because I haven't used any other cameras rather than Canon. That's the reason I don't have a lot of ideas, but I think this Canon camera is working pretty well, and that's the reason I have already shown you the best color possible you can get from the camera, because in the auto mode it totally sucks. And if you guys really enjoyed this one, be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe for this kind of amazing contents that is going to come in future. And with that said guys, that was all for this one. See you in another one. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright.